Dinah's Playhouse!
Hello friends, today we're building the Triceratops life cycle puzzle. Let's see how a baby dinosaur grows. Now let's look for our first piece. Here we go. This is our first piece. Great job. Now let's look for our next egg puzzle piece. Where's our next egg piece? Is it this one? No, let's keep looking. Maybe this one? Yes! This is the egg. Did you know baby dinosaurs grew safely inside hard eggs just like this? Awesome job! Let's move on to this part. Now let's find the baby Triceratops. He should look tiny and cute. Let's find his face first. Is it this one? No, this looks different. It doesn't fit. Let's try this face. Doesn't fit either. Which one is it? I think it's this one. Yes! Now we have to find his half egg piece. Here it is. Very good. And finally, the last piece of the egg. Here we go. Baby Triceratops had soft horns that grew bigger as they got older. Okay, now let's find the young Triceratops. Let's find the face first. I think it's the right one. Does it match?
Yes!
Yes! Now let's find the crown. Where is it? Is it this one? Oh, it was upside down. Here, perfect fit. Next piece is the baby Triceratops legs. This looks close. Nope, that's from another dinosaur. What about this piece? Yes, that's the young one. Awesome! Young Triceratops practiced using their horns to protect themselves. Now it's time for this big dinosaur. It's the adult Triceratops. Let's look for its head first. Here it is. Perfect. Now for the legs. Here we go. And now the body. This one looks right. How does it go? Good. Now the tail. Here it is, and it's purple. Adult Triceratops were huge, almost the size of a school bus. Wow, great job, friends. The egg becomes a baby dino, then a young dino, and grows into a big Triceratops. See you next time. Bye-bye.